I'm going to create a post that will schedule to post later. So I'm going to go up to my classwork and I will click create. And for this one, I will do a question. My question to my students in my classroom is going to be, what is your favorite season and why? Okay. And in my instructions, maybe I write, please answer the above question and respond to one of your classmates. Okay. I will also go over here and complete all of this. So for my due date, maybe I make my due date August 14th. Okay. Because I'm going to put it in the week 2 of August 10th, okay? So I'll want it done by the end of that week. But let's say I don't want my students to see this assignment until August 10th. So all I have to do is, instead of clicking ask, I would click the arrow down, and as you can see, you can save this as a draft to work on later, but I'm going to choose schedule. And it's not quite August 10th yet. So what I will do is, instead of having this post on the 30th, I will have it post on August 10th at 8 a.m. so that students can work on it as soon as they come to school. And all I have to do is click schedule. So now you can see it's in my August 10th week, and it is this gray color so that you know that it isn't posted yet. And it says right over here, scheduled for August 10th at 8 a.m.